is clear, just type the message clear. If the screen is clear, just type the message clear. And do not speak anything because it will get blurred otherwise. Very good. Okay, one message. Clear. Clear. Very good. Okay, fine. And thank you, Zainab ma'am, for handling the lecture till 8 p.m. Now, let's get started. Uh, so, chapter number 6, sorry, chapter number 9, we are going to start. Chapter number 9 is about simple tenses. So, can anyone tell me what exactly is the simple tenses, or how many types of simple tenses are there? Hello, sleeping people.
Sir, can I tell how many types of simple tenses are there?
Yes, you have to tell me, and I'm going to write that on the board.
Simple. There are three types of simple tenses.
There are three types of simple tenses. So, which are they?
Simple present tense, sir, your camera
Simple.
stopped.
Camera is?
Stopped.
Oh, no issues. It will again start. So, this happens when we do the hard lectures, but don't worry. So, you can speak, Rabia.
Simple.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Simple present tense,
Hmm.
simple past tense, and simple future
Hmm.
tense.
Simple present, simple past, simple future. So, only these three are the
Yes.
simple tenses. Are you sure?
Yes.
Zainab Asar is there?
Yes, sir.
Zainab Asar, is my screen clear to you, beta?
Yes.
Rabia said there are three types of simple tenses. Is she right?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to study. This is chapter number 9. Chapter number 9. Simple tenses. Simple types of tenses are there. Three types of tenses we are going to study. Quickly, you will have to draw this diagram in your book. So quickly open your rough book. Draw this in your book. And yes, look here, students. You have to keep some space because here I'm going to write the formula for each of these tenses. So as soon as you finish drawing this diagram, I'll not give you more than 2 minutes. So quickly finish and just type the message. Done. I'll wait for you. We are going to solve the exercises also here. I'm waiting for the other girls. Okay. I'm getting the messages. I'm reading it. Great. Okay, so now I'll have to write quickly the note. I'll write the formula of each of these tenses. So I have written the formula. Please write it down. Rabia, when screen gets blur more than a minute, just inform me. But now I suppose it should be clear. So simple present tense formula as I have written, subject plus V1 plus S or ES plus object. Simple past tense, subject plus V2 plus object. And simple future tense, subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. Just type the message done again if you have finished with the formula. So I can further give the explanation of each of these tenses. Okay. Now, coming on to the present tense first. Now, Rathod Ilma, are you there? Rathod Ilma,
Yes, sir.
can you read the formula?
Yes, sir. ST5 VS
What, beta? S?
T.
No, 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 it is plus. Plus.
Yes. S plus 5 plus
5. You know what is
VI
5? V1.
V1. S plus V1 sis.
Are you sleeping, beta? Wash your face. Sprinkle the water in your eyes. Mute your mic. Yes, Amreen Fatima, can you read the formula?
Yes.
Yes, Amreen Fatima.
S plus
Your voice is breaking, dear.
S plus V1 plus
Mhm.
SES plus O.
Very good. So, what is S and what is O, Amreen Fatima? In the formula, what is S and what is O?
Subject and object.
Very good. So, my dear students, always remember in any types of tenses, there are overall 12 types of tenses. There are overall 1, 2, 12 types of tenses are there. And we are only going to study 3 for now. So, here you can see that SO, SO, SO will remain as it is. Never ever in any tenses you have to touch SO. Only you have to play with this much part in any types of tenses. S and O will remain as it is. That means subject and the object of the tense will remain as it is in any types of tenses. Okay, that is the good kind of trick you can use and you can remember. Now coming on to simple present tense. So Rabia, call out one name, the girl who has not answered me till now.
Yes, sir. Saujani 1414.
Come on, quickly answer those whose name is called out.
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
Saujani Sakina.
Saujani Sakina. What do you mean by present? Simple present tense. We are going to study. But what do you mean by present? Do you know or you don't know? You can say yes and no, anything. Okay, Sakina, can I ask you one question?
Yes.
Beta, if you are sitting in the classroom and your class teacher is taking attendance, and if your name comes, if I say Saujani Sakina, what you will say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Or what you can say? Anything else you can speak?
Present.
Yes, present. So present means you are there in the class. Yes or no, beta?
Yes.
Okay, mute your mic. So here, dear students, present tense means the time which is going on. I am teaching you. Rohan sir teaches us English, correct? So it is Rohan sir's lecture. So this thing is going on, right? So this is present tense. This is present tense. Tense means nothing but the time. See, present tense means the time which is going on. Okay. Now, Ravi, another name, please.
Yes, sir. Nurani Rosmin Fatima. I guess Nurani Safia.
Hmm. Safia, are you there? Okay, call out another name quickly.
Yes, sir. Misam Kanani.
Okay, if they don't answer in 5 seconds, call out another name because we are not interested if they are not.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
Yes, who is this?
I am Kanani Fatima.
Kanani Fatima, what do you mean by past? Present means now. Okay, now what is going on? So past means what, beta?
Mm, tomorrow.
Um, can you give me one example, beta, so we can understand what you're trying to say? Yes, Fatima, come on, don't be afraid. If even if you will speak wrong, it is like okay, I'm going to teach you that.
Tomorrow we'll go. Tomorrow we'll go. Mm,
Okay. Fatima, just hold on for a minute. Okay, I'll ask to your friend, one of your friends. So, Kanani Fatima, do one thing. Select one name from your group. Come on.
What, sir?
Select any one person, any one student's name from the group. The girl who has not answered me. Let us pass this question to them.
Yes, sir.
Quickly, make a haste.
Sir,
Uh, yeah,
Nadim
yes, please.
Rajani.
Nadim Rajani.
Yes, sir.
Who is this?
Mohdeh Sarajani.
Mahadesa, what do you mean by past? If I say
Means
past tense.
yesterday. What?
Yesterday, exactly. So, for example, if today is Tuesday, yesterday was Monday, correct?
Yes.
So the time which is gone, the time which is already gone, it is called past tense. So past tense means past time, the time which is already gone. So now I hope you understood what is present time which is going on. Past means the time which has gone. Now, Modesa, can you tell me what is future tense?
Future tense means tomorrow. What time will come?
The time which will come in the future, in the near future, that is simple future tense. Exactly. Okay, so mute your mic, everyone. Any doubts, anyone, then you can turn on the mic and speak. If you did not understand what is present, what is past, and what is future. See, I just gave you the meaning. I just explained you the meaning of present, past, future. So, any doubts in the meaning of that, then you can turn on the mic and speak. You are free to speak. Okay, so I suppose no one has any doubt. Rabia, meanwhile, tell me, is the screen clear again?
Yes, sir.
Great stuff. Now let us concentrate first on the simple present tense. I hope you all of you have written the formula for the simple present tense. Now just write one more thing for the simple present tense. Rabia, how much is the board available till the downwards if I go?
Yes, sir.
Here till here it is available?
No, whole board is available.
Till here.
Till down.
Oh, great stuff. Okay, just write one thing. Just write these three things I have written in the simple present tense. I'm going to clear the board and I will just write simple present tense here. Quickly just write these three things. Yes, Asar Zainab.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me better what three things have I written on the board?
Fact, habit, and routine.
Fact, habit, and routine. Okay. So can I clear the board, girls?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Fact, habit, and routine. Now, so quickly, okay, Zainab Asar, you only tell me what do you mean by fact? You can either explain or you can give one example to explain to give your point.
Fact means what happens today.
Mm, no, you are halfway there. What do you mean by fact? Will anyone tell me?
Sir, can I tell Rabi?
Yes, Rabia.
Fact
Sir,
means
connected.
Yes, wait, who was there after Rabia?
Can I tell Ilma?
Yes, beta. Ilma, what do you mean by fact?
Fact means gone at yesterday.
No,
No,
we are
sir.
studying present tense. So how can we talk about yesterday?
Sir,
Yes, beta. Okay, Ilma, can I give you one example? And then you will
yes,
have to
sir.
explain. Okay, I'm writing one example here. Ilma, what is written? Just read first the sentence.
Earth revolves around the sun.
Very good. Earth revolves around the sun. Is this fact? Is this truth?
Yes, sir.
Girls, I'm asking to you all, is this fact? Is this truth?
Yes.
Yes.
Earth revolves around the sun means what? Earth revolves around the sun. This is truth. So any sentence which is truth, which is universally accepted by all the countries, entire universe, that is universal fact. So this is simple present tense sentence. Now talking about habit. Who will tell me what do you mean by habit? Habit means what?
Sir, can I tell Rabia?
Sir, can I
Hmm.
tell Modesa?
Yes, Mahadesa. What do you mean by habit?
Sir, habit means in Hindi all mothers tell that અને આદત લાગી ગઈ છે ને.
What you are saying is right. Habit means adat. What you are saying is perfect. So can you give me one example? See, Mahadesa, if I do like this, is this good habit?
No.
Okay, so what habit do I have? Though this is a bad habit, but this is habit. Good or bad, that is different thing. So make the sentence on what I did.
Sir, can I say good habit, not bad habit?
Yes, anything you can say. Just like I wrote the sentence for fact, you will have to give me the sentence for habit.
Okay, sir. Rohan sir.
No, no,
Uh,
it's okay. You can say Rohan in the sentence. Rohan, Rabia, help her. She is finding the word exactly for this.
Nail biting. It's called nail biting.
Nail biting will become continuous, no? ing. You will
Nail
have to make the
biting.
sentence with the bite. Rohan nail bite.
No.
Rohan nail bite.
Rohan nail bite.
Rohan nail bites.
yes.
What kind of sentence have you formed? Never in my life I have heard Americans speaking this kind of rubbish English.
Sir, but I know about continuous. I don't know about present.
Okay. Yeah, you continuously irritate no people, so yeah, it happens.
No.
Rohan bites.
His nail.
Okay, okay. Ravi, what is the spelling of bites? B Y T E
B-I-T-E-S.
S. B Y T E S.
No.
You said B Y T E S.
I said B B-I-T-E-S.
B I T E S. Okay.
No.
Rohan bites
I
what?
said
Rohan bites
B-I-T
dog.
bites nail.
Nail or nails?
Nail. Rohan bites
Kneel.
nail.
Okay, so this is habit, my habit. None of your business. This is my habit. Rohan bites nail. Okay, so this is habit. Good or bad, that is different thing that we don't have to judge. But habit also comes in the simple present tense sentence. Okay, now what about routine? Can anyone explain me what is routine?
Can I say Zainab?
Sir, can I tell?
Tell me your name. Just don't say, can I say, can I say? I cannot even email because I'm on this side. How will I read your names?
Zainab.
Asar Zainab, yes. Routine.
Routine means
It,
what we do
it is
in
not, hold on, it is not roti.
routine.
Routine.
Routine. I'm
Roti,
saying that
roti.
only.
No, in the morning you say roti, roti. What is that? You and Ravi both are same. Come on, tell me what is routine.
Routine means
I
what
even
we do
don't
in
like
daily to
roti.
daily life.
We do in daily, yes, we do in our daily life, routine. We come to school. Nowadays, you will say we attend online classes. This is routine, correct? We take bath. This is routine for me, not for you people because you bath, I don't know, once in a week, I don't know.
Every day.
So, did I say Rabia Basri takes bath once in a week?
No,
This girl is
you told
creating issues every
you
time.
people. So in people, everyone comes. That's why I said mine.
I said people paid, people ka paid, people, tree.
No, no.
Okay, jokes apart, Rabia, tell me what is the exact time so I can run accordingly.
38.
38. Never in my life
8:38.
I. Oh, thank God. I said, in which time zone you are? Okay, so dear students, now in short, fact, habit, routine, these three are the things which will be included in the simple present tense sentences. Or you can say, if you take any sentence which is in the simple present tense, will be either fact or habit or routine. Am I making sense to you all? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I said all. So only two answered me. How bad your English is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We don't have to touch subject and object. Now let us understand what is V1 and S plus ES. Now, students, just write this formula again like this and write one thing. Write this much and then type the message done.
So, sir, again we have to write this formula and simple
Yes,
present
again you
tense.
will have to write because I'm going to now elaborate this formula that when do we have to add S or ES? Not all the time we have to add with the verb. So this is what is clearly depicted from the diagram I have drawn, but still. So write the formula on the new page, like what to say, utilize full page so you can write it clearly. And my dear students, let me tell you first of all, this is plus. This is not T. Okay, no, nor it is the cross of Christians. This is plus, and this is V1. V1. And this is not sun or the earth or any solar system. This is O and I have circled S and O both. Seems like I'm teaching the Gujarati medium. Yeah, a few girls are like that. Girls, tell me one thing, whether you are enjoying that lecture or this lecture. Tell me
This
truth.
lecture.
English lecture.
This one.
This one.
I said all of you. Okay. Now onwards, English also I will be able to teach you like this.
Yes.
What is
Yes.
the time? What is the time, Ravia? 41,
8:42.
42. Okay.
42?
Yeah, I said 8:42.
No, you said 41, 42.
Whatever.
Not whatever.
Okay, students, stop. Hold on. Fold your hands like this, as you do in the class. Because this is very, 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 very important. Because if you don't understand this, you will never understand simple present tense. Now, if you will understand this, simple present tense, like you will be able to solve, even if I wake you up in the midnight. I will not do that because I am myself sleeping over there. Anyways, now here you will say this formula. Now let me write one thing here. See, whatever I'm eating, it is none of your business. This is just an example. Rohan eats Kit Kat. Okay, I have written here Rohan eats Kit Kat. So here Rohan is subject. I repeat, Rohan is subject. Kit Kat is object. Kit Kat is object. Eat. Eat is action. Eat means something action we are doing. So it is verb. It is verb. S or es, we have already added one S. So eat will become eats. Eat will become eats. This is subject, this is object, and eat is verb. So can you see full formula in the sentence? Yes or no, students?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, one more thing. Raja, is the board available till here?
Whole board is available.
This girl never answers me properly. Okay.
Then you will ask, is it available till here? Then I said that whole board is available.
Rabia, till you were arguing, no, I have written another sentence.
I was
Okay.
not asking.
Okay, wait. I have only 2 minutes now. Uh, mm, okay, that Meghani, Amrin, Fatima, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the difference between this and this sentence?
Yes.
What difference can you see?
Here you had written eats and upside you had written eat.
Eat, exactly. So this is the difference. Now you will say that, sir, here you have not written eats and here you have written eats. This is cheating. This is not cheating. This is the formula. Whenever in the subject part of the sentence, I repeat, whenever in the subject of the sentence, any one person is there, that means he, she, it, or any one person's name is there, then we have to add s or es. Otherwise, when the plural, more than one person is there, see, they means many, then we don't have to add s or es. Am I making sense to you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Students,
Yes.
I repeat one more time, please pay attention. This one thing, if you understand, full simple present tense is very easy. You have to first read the sentence. Rohan eats Kit Kat. Here, Rohan is only one, singular. That is why I have added S. But read this sentence. They eat Kit Kat. Now, they means more than one. They all means more than one. That is why I have not added S or ES. Now, I hope you understood. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
That's it. This was simple present tense. Was it easy or hard? Come on, tell me. Tell me the truth, please.
Easy.
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 No, okay, now I suppose the time is over, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the lecture. I tried my level best to make you enjoy these tenses. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Nice day, sir.